These are 10 new Amazon products cheaper at Dollar Tree in 2023, and with so many shocking dupes, this video could save you some serious cash. We begin with a very popular product that's the exact same at both stores, down to its size, and it's this Arm & Hammer Carpet Odor Eliminator, $1.25 at Dollar Tree, and the exact same product, $8.49 on Amazon. For this ultrasonic facial mister, there's only a slight design discrepancy between the Amazon version at $7 on the right and the Dollar Tree dupe for $1.25 on the left. Both charge from the bottom and produce the same amount of mist in terms of velocity. It's also worth noting the power LED on the Dollar Tree version is brighter and, of course, a fraction of the price. When it comes down to this baby snack cup comparison, the Dollar Tree version on the left for $1.25 and the Amazon on the right for $8 have the exact same size capacity. The Amazon one does have the benefit of an extra handle, but it's not worth paying the extra $6.75 for that feature. In the number 2 spot, food tents are fantastic this time of year for protecting your dining from insects. At Dollar Tree, one 17-inch food tent is only $1.25, and they come in a variety of colors. On Amazon, you can buy a 6-pack for $19, but even so, the pricing is still better at Dollar Tree, and amazingly enough, the Dollar Tree version is more sturdy, as you can see from my rock-throwing stability test right here. This best-selling 3-in-1 Avo tool is identical to a T between the Amazon version and Dollar Tree dupe, with the exception of price and packaging. Here's the Dollar Tree version on the left for $1.25 and the Amazon version on the right for $10.27. The Amazon version includes a bonus avocado saver, but that doesn't justify the higher price in my opinion when that 3-in-1 avocado slicing, pitting, and splitting tool is otherwise identical to the Dollar Tree version. Let's move on to this 12-egg tray storage system with lid. These are stackable and a pleasant upgrade from the flimsy cartons in which eggs are usually sold. The price discrepancy between the $1.25 Dollar Tree version and the $13 comp from Amazon is significant. The hardened plastic is thicker, more like an acrylic on the Amazon version, but in terms of getting the job done, the slightly enhanced thicker plastic makes no difference in terms of performance. In the number 3 spot, it's a smartphone LED selfie light, and I was stunned by the negligible difference between the $30 item on Amazon and the $1.25 dupe from Dollar Tree. Whether it's for FaceTime calls, creating video content, or photography, both charge with a port in the back via USB and have 3 different lighting modes. The only slight difference is on its brightest mode. The Amazon one is potentially a bit brighter, but not enough to justify a $28 price premium compared to the Dollar Tree dupe. This next product is perfectly timed for a summer vacation, and it's this waterproof smartphone bag to protect your investment. My wife Daria has volunteered her iPhone 14 Giant Max, whatever this is called, for our waterproof tests. And I can tell you both waterproof smartphone bags live up to their promise. While we're on the topic of summer, let's compare handheld mini fans. The cheapest battery-powered one I could find on Amazon is $10. Both versions are powered by 2 AA batteries. Both have the same weight. The Dollar Tree version comes in multiple colors, while the Amazon version has one base color, and then you get some additional colored LEDs on the fan's blades. From a velocity perspective though, the Dollar Tree version is the much stronger and more effective fan for the lower price. To keep your cool at your desk, in the number 4 spot, it's a battle of the USB desk fans, and the Dollar Tree version on the left for $5 with Dollar Tree Plus pricing, and the Amazon version at more than double the price on the right for $11 are identical with regards to appearance. The only possible advantage is the USB charge cord is longer on the Amazon one, making the cord more convenient. Otherwise, no difference, not even in terms of fan noise, which made made my tests very surprising. When it comes to Bluetooth speaker bargains, Dollar Tree sells a Polaroid metallic wireless speaker for $5, and for more than 3 times the price, this version from Amazon is $20. They look the same with the exception of the power button up top. The LEDs around the base ring are the same, and to my amazement, identical audio. There's another startling price difference as we compare slides. The cloud slides from Dollar Tree at $5 look very similar to what you'll find on Amazon for $24. In fact, at a first glance, they look the same. To the touch, they also feel comparable. However, I will tell you that after wearing both slides, I can conclude the Amazon version feels much more cloud-like. Car door welcome lights are very popular right now for those looking for some better guidance when entering or exiting a vehicle. These motion sensor lights, which you can attach by adhesives, have another big price difference between them. The Dollar Tree version is $5, the Amazon one is $15. The only advantage of the Amazon one is you get your choice of branded logos, but the Dollar Tree version is actually brighter, which is key from a safety standpoint. And by the way, if you are enjoying this video, please feel free to give it a like, as that really helps my channel. In the number 5 spot, it's a very handy contraption for grilling season, and it's the beloved burger press to ensure you get those perfectly portioned patties. The Dollar Tree version at $1.25 gets the job done with a BPA-free, easy-to-clean plastic and non-stick press. The Amazon version at $16 is aluminum, which doesn't make much of a difference when you're pressing patties, and the additional feature of the Amazon listing is that it's accompanied by 100 pieces of wax paper, so you might think that's a great bonus. You can, in fact, buy 100 pieces of wax paper for $1.25 at Dollar Tree, which would make your grand total $2.50 versus the $16 at Amazon. I even found the Dollar Tree version easier to clean. If you happen to stack your pots or pans in a drawer, I love these 3 packs of pot and pan protectors. They prevent scratches and scuffs. The Dollar Tree version on the left is $1.25. Amazon on the right is $6. The Amazon version is also thicker, but barely so. I can conclude both versions equally protect my pots and pans, so I would favor Dollar Tree in this case. The most ingeniously designed ice cube trays that I have ever used are these ones with lids that allow you to fill them from a top opening to prevent overflows and spills. The Dollar Tree version costs $1.25, and Amazon's pricing for a 2-pack at $22 means each tray is $11. That might explain why Dollar Tree is constantly selling out of these ice trays, and it is a bit more difficult to find in stock. In a moment, I'll compare cleaning product dupes, but in the number 6 spot, it's all about organization. Let's start with these 4-grip rotating hooks, ideal for hanging belts, ties in a much more organized fashion than shoving them into a drawer. The Dollar Tree 2-pack costs $1.25. On Amazon, a 3-pack costs $6.88. The Amazon version requires assembly, and I was shocked to realize the Dollar Tree version has a much smoother spin. The Amazon version definitely needed some finessing to swivel, and setting the smoothness factor aside, the quality of the plastic at Dollar Tree appears to be much more premium. If you've been eyeing these dog grooming mitts, the Dollar Tree version at $1.25 is almost a carbon copy of this $9 original on Amazon that's extremely well rated. They are identical in terms of functionality, with some slight design differences and a more pronounced thickness from the Amazon version, potentially giving Amazon the upper hand. For point 7, let's compare a product many of us use, washing machine cleaners. The Dollar Tree 3-pack for $1.25 has the same bright orange packaging as the Amazon Tide version for $5.94. The ingredient list is nearly identical, with the exception of the Tide version having more fragrances. Both products seem to effectively clean our washing machine, and I cannot vouch for one over the other except for price. price. For garbage disposal cleaning, the product sold at Dollar Tree for $1.25 happens to be an amazing dupe of this Amazon version from Glisten, sold for $3.78, that currently has more than 38,000 nearly perfect reviews. The quality of the cleaner is the same for both products, but from a convenience factor, the Glisten prepackaged version on Amazon might be the better way to go. In the number 8 spot, it's one of my favorite products to help control the level of heat inside a parked vehicle. Car sunshades can certainly get the job done. The Dollar Tree version is $1.25 and the Amazon version is $11. Both are secured by suction cups, but in this case, the Amazon version is slightly thicker, which makes no difference in terms of temperature control, and the Amazon version is huge, possibly way too large. So unless you have a huge giant windshield that you'd need to cover, the Dollar Tree version might actually be the better pick. Window markers, like the one you see here, are great for special occasions, whether it's to decorate a car window for a wedding or a graduation, or if you're just planning to sell a vehicle. The Dollar Tree version is $1.25, and the one that I found on Amazon is a whopping $12. With this price, I expected the Amazon version to be much more premium or eye-catching, but for a one-time use situation and with similar legibility results, I would go with the $1.25 version from Dollar Tree, where you can even buy colors other than white for that same price. My next point includes the dupe of a product with a cult following. The all-purpose pink cleaning goop you see from Dollar Tree for $1.25 is a dupe of the unbelievably well-rated The Pink Stuff on Amazon for $5.97. Both clean very effectively. The Amazon version has a sweeter smell, and you get 10 ounces more for the $5.97 price from Amazon. So in this case, unless you only have a very small area to clean where you would want to buy the smaller package from Dollar Tree, or perhaps you can't wait for the Pink Stuff to ship from Amazon, that would be the only case where I would think buying the Dollar Tree product would make more sense. When it comes to carpet cleaning, the LA Totally Awesome carpet cleaner on the left for $1.25 is a dupe of the Resolve carpet cleaner from Amazon for $4.97. For the purposes of this test, I deliberately spilled coffee on a piece of old carpet that we are planning to get rid of. I found the stain removal power on both products quite similar. If I really had to find a difference between the two to justify the higher price on Amazon, the Resolve cleaner kind of bubbles while it's performing its cleaning duties, which is visually gratifying. You can tell I don't get out that much. But since the end result is the same, I would vouch for the LA Totally Awesome Dollar Tree version in this case. Before we get to the bonus section, for those trying to get into better shape this summer, something I gave up on a while ago, protein shakers are a very popular pick. You can buy a 27-ounce protein shaker from Dollar Tree for $1.25, or a smaller 24-ounce version on Amazon for $11. The Dollar Tree version on the left has a frosted black design, while the Amazon version has more of a translucent aesthetic. Electrolyte-filled products to help you recover from a very exciting night out has become a very popular product, and the Hydromate dupe sold in a 2-pack from Dollar Tree for $1.25 are a dupe of the very popular Liquid IV sold in a 16-pack from Amazon for $24. If we break down the per pack cost, Amazon is much more expensive, where 2 packs will actually cost you $3 compared to the $1.25 for 2 from Dollar Tree. For my taste test, I tried the Lemon Lime Hydromate from Dollar Tree and the Lemon Lime Liquid IV from Amazon. The taste, nearly indecipherable, possibly a tad sweeter for the Liquid IV, but the active core ingredients for both products are essentially the same. And now for the bonus section, which might take a surprising turn. Let's start with these shampoo rinse cups. These come in particularly handy if you have to wash the head of a baby or give a bath to a pet. They have a soft silicone edge which forms a watertight bond across the forehead. The Dollar Tree version is $1.25. The Amazon version is $6.50. As you can see here, both have a similar color scheme with a soft silicone spout. The only difference on the Dollar Tree version is the silicone edging is on one side, where on the Amazon version, it's on the front. When it comes to square motion night lights, the Dollar Tree version for $1.25 compared to this 4-pack from Amazon for $7 look identical in terms of appearance. Since I've never purchased these from Dollar Tree, I wasn't really anticipating a different result. But to my surprise, the LED output on the Dollar Tree version is multicolored. So provided that appeals to you, maybe the Dollar Tree pick is the way to go. But if you need several, the more traditional white light from Amazon in the 4-pack for $7 is a good deal, and I'll link to that in the video description box. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye-bye.